Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Hugo and today we're going to talk about two stocks. One is ABBV and the other one is PNC. The first one is a pharmaceutical and the second one is a retail bank. Now let's look to the graphs. Stay around. So I have in my portfolio ABBV. It's around roughly 3%, actually 2.64% of my portfolio. And the next ex-dividend date is actually on the 14th, so within 2 days. Actually, I don't know if we have too much time to buy this stock right now to receive the dividends. As you can see, there's still a big sentiment of buying ABBV. It's a really good stock and it's been increasing. They are also with other pharmaceuticals trying to develop the vaccine for COVID-19. So it's a really nice company to have at the moment, with the stocks probably going up in the next few days. Even considering the fact that we only have 2 days to buy this stock, it's going to be on the 14th of this month, so we need to have that in consideration. If we buy now via etoro, what will happen is we may not get the dividends for this stock, so bear in mind with that. The next stock is PNC Bank. The ex-dividend date is going to be on the 15th of this month. Bear in mind that some sites says on the 14th, so Thursday or Wednesday. Performance of this bank is not being the greatest, as well as any other stock in the market at the moment, but has a high dividend yield of 4.2%. So at eToro we can see that we have buy sentiment of around 45%. And now let's look into the other graphs as well. So in terms of the stock itself, it's not being great in a couple of months. Since March, this is quite normal. In the 5 years time has been increasing all the way, and is going to increase again, even beside the fact that we have the big crash in March, but it's starting to increase again. The stock at the moment is 0.4% overvalued. If it's a good stock to buy, we need to have some considerations. This the 0.4% overvalued is because we are coming close to the ex-dividend date, so it's normal that's going to increase now. If you don't want to buy now, you can buy later on. Bear in mind this is a quarterly dividend, so the next ex-dividend date is going to be in 4 months time. So we have a historic growth around 5% every single year. Probably this year we won't see that. One of the considerations with this stock is the liabilities. This is although due to the money that they borrow. We have a dividend of 3.98%, and the upcoming dividend it's on the 15th, but Yahoo Finance says on the 14th. In terms of dividend per each stock, they are paying $1.50. We do a payment due next month on the 5th. In the next couple of days we're going to see a bull market, since the ex-dividend is going to be on the 15th. So that's normal to increase now. So actually it's a good time to buy now, because it's going to increase until 116 and then going down again after the ex-dividend date, because there's going to be a lot of sales. Beside the market, in terms of volatility, it's quite high, and we don't know what's going to be the results after the elections. We need to be a bit careful what we're going to invest now. So these are actually two stocks, but with some considerations regarding the market. Probably another time this could be a really good stocks to buy, but with this volatility we need to be careful. I hope that you enjoyed these two stocks that I brought today for this week. Don't forget to subscribe to receive the best dividend stocks for the next week. And once again, hit the like button, and thank you and cheers.